Hi everybody, this is Mr. Short. Today you can see we're going to be learning about molecular geometry. I want us to start by taking some brief notes at the top of the molecular geometry POJL packet. In just a minute I'm going to hit pause, but you can start copying this down. Electron domains or regions, they come in two forms. The two types are bonding domains, and bonding domains look like this, this, and this. So single, double, and triple covalent bonds. The second type of electron domain is called a non-bonding domain, and it looks like this, a pair of dots. Last thing to write down, when analyzing electron domains, we only look at the central atom. So I want you to hit pause and get those copied down, and then in just a minute I'm going to start talking again, and we're going to take a look at Model 1 on the front. Alright, let's take a look at Model 1 on the front here and see how the notes that we took up top relate. I'm going to zoom out so that we can see all of Model 1 at once, but you can see again that I've used some color coding here in yellow and in orange. So bonding domains, remember they look like this. So notice that I've highlighted 1, 2, 3 bonding domains. I think the value of taking a look at this one right here is to learn that single, double, and even triple covalent bonds, they only count as one bonding domain apiece. So students will often get confused here and they'll think that I'm pointing to two bonding domains, but it's only one bonding domain. All right, so take a look. This structure has 3 bonding domains and 0 non-bonding domains. Numbers are 2 and 0. 4 bonding domains, 0 non-bonding domains. Here in the next one, Ammonia Nh3, we see the first non-bonding domain. So remember, a non-bonding domain looks like a pair of dots, and we only look at the central atom when we're thinking about bonding and non-bonding domains. So here I've got 1, 2, 3 bonding domains and 1 non-bonding domain. You can see the numbers for water, H2O, are 2 bonding domains, 2 non-bonding domains, and then right over here, carbon dioxide, we've got 2 bonding domains and 0 non-bonding domains. Okay, now that we've gone over this, what I want you to do is to read the Y section. It puts this into context. You're going to do a little bit more analysis of Model 1 right here. Just note that right now there's nothing for you to do on this. I believe it's question 13 where you start filling in the 3D molecular shapes. Remember, with any type of POJL, you're going to find that you do a lot of back and forth where you read the question, which stimulates a question in your mind. You go back to the picture to find the relevant information. So there's a lot of graphical analysis that goes on in this. All right, thanks a lot, guys, and see you soon.